How to create Binance Wallet account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can create Binance Wallet account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Binance application in your mobile device. So once you're here on this home page, you will have an option or button as sign up or log in. Tap on it. You will land on login page. But if you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there is an option as create a Binance account. Tap on it. Now to create your account, you can either enter your email, that must be valid email address, or your phone number. So according to your choice, you can enter one from here. So here I will just enter my email address or in my Gmail account. Once done, tap on next, or if you want to create your account with Google or Telegram, you can also do that from here. Once done, tap on next. Now in order to verify your Gmail account, you have to type in the verification code that you will receive in your inbox from the Binance. So tap on it and go back and check for your verification code. Once you have it, simply type the code on the text box. Once you're verified, now you have to create a password for your account and make sure your password is 8 to 128 character with at least one number and one uppercase letter. Then tap on next. If you have some kind of invitation code, you can simply tap on yes. If not, tap on no. Now you have to verify your account, where you have to enter your KYC, that is your identity verification, and here you have to provide all your personal details, upload a government issue ID, that may be a passport, ID card, or your driver license, and complete the facial verification using the applications or camera. So once you have complete all the instructions or prompts to verify your identity, then you can either enable two-factor authentication for added security. And once you have complete all the processes, you will have an account in Binance. And that's how you can create the Binance Wallet account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.